Hello everyone. Christmas or New Year, Holi or Diwali, we welcome guests and send gifts to our loved ones. So, what do you think about chocolates? No. What do you think about handmade chocolates? In today's video, we are going to make handmade chocolates with few ingredients and a small period of time. So, without wasting our time, let's start.
125 gram of dark compound chocolate, 2 tablespoons sugar, almonds, and chocolate mold. I am using this spiral chocolate mold, but you can use different type of chocolate molds like duck, circle, heart, etc. Now melt the chocolate in microwave for 1 to 2 minutes and stir it after every 20 seconds. After melting the chocolate, we will add the sugar. Fill the mold halfway with the melted chocolate. Now we will add the almonds in the center of the mold. Now fill the molds with the melted chocolate. Here I have filled all my molds and now I will tap them so that there is no air bubble in the mold. Now my chocolates have got hardened, so let's take them out. Now our chocolates are ready.
I hope that you liked my video and do let me know in the comment section that how was your chocolate. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.